Most law firms are paying for marketing that barely works. And the ones pulling ahead right now are using a tool you've probably never heard of. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what Claude Cowork is, why it's different from every other AI tool out there, and why it matters specifically for law firms. If your law firm is still doing marketing the old way, one blog at a time, one LinkedIn post when someone remembers, stay with me, because this changes the game. Let's start with where things actually stand. AI is already deep in legal practice. Toward the end of 2025, most attorneys were using AI and relying on it for drafting, research, summarizing documents, and creating templates. That's the legal work side. But on the marketing side, most firms are way behind. And that gap is exactly where the opportunity is right now. Here's a number that should stop you in your tracks. AI referral traffic to legal services, people clicking to law firm websites from tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity grew over 500% in early 2025. And 60% of searches now stop at the AI answer page. People are not scrolling through results anymore. They're reading what the AI says and making a decision right there. If your firm isn't showing up in those answers, you're invisible to a huge chunk of people looking for exactly what you do. So what is Claude Cowork? Most people think of AI like a chat box. Claude Cowork is different. It's built by Anthropic, the same company behind Claude, and it works like an AI agent inside a shared workspace. It doesn't just answer questions, it actually does work. It can read your files, follow multi-step instructions, and produce real deliverables, Word docs, spreadsheets, full campaign briefs. The big thing that makes it different from just typing into a chat window is that it remembers context across an entire workspace. You can drop in your brand guidelines, past blog posts, a practice area overview, and it uses all of that together every time. Anthropic designed it specifically for non-technical people, meaning lawyers and marketing staff can use it without writing a single line of code. You connect your folders, you give it instructions, it gets to work. Why this matters for your law firm. Law firm marketing has a specific problem that most other industries don't. The people doing the best work at the firm, the attorneys, are also the ones who need to be creating thought leadership content, but they don't have the time. Marketing staff often don't have deep enough legal knowledge to write it themselves, and then hiring an agency gets expensive pretty fast. Cowork sits right in that middle of that problem. You give it the knowledge, your past articles, your practice area summaries, your brand voice, and it handles the execution. The attorney reviews the output. The marketing person publishes it. Nobody has to write from scratch. In the next video in this series, I'm going to show you the 3 specific workflows that law firms are using right now inside of Cowork, including how to turn one idea into a full month of content in a single session.